another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's video is going to be brought to you by the company West Kiss Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area, okay? We are going to open this up together, okay? So this is what the unit comes in. Ooh, I can already tell that hairline look pre-plucked. There's an edge band with the company's logo on it, an edge brush, a satin cap, and also a satin bag for you to store your unit in if you are done with it. But yeah, that's what it looks like in there. And then also an HD wig cap. You guys know I like the darker one, so I won't be using this one. Go ahead and open this up. I do see that there is some tape. So this is their Curly Wave 4x7 HD lace closure wig. This one is in the length 22 inches. And this hair looks really, really thick. Parting space looks like, you can definitely tell that they went in and pre-bleached those knots. They also pre-cut the lace. And you do have combs on each side. Well, a comb on each side. You also have your removable adjustable elastic band. You also get a comb in the back, and you do get your adjustable strap. I have a small cap size because West Kiss is one of the companies that do ask me, you need a small girl? And I'm like, yes. So I do appreciate with these wigs that they still include a comb and the adjustable strap in the back, because I be needing some extra security. Go ahead and try this on real quick without adjusting anything, just to kind of see if I need to adjust, because I might not need to. So let's see. Oh, she fit. She fits, okay? I don't need to adjust nothing at all. She is fitting. But you guys already can see I am gonna have to go in with some tint spray to make sure to get this lace together. Some of the lace did kind of roll up with the way the packaging was, so once I lay everything down, I'm gonna have to make sure that it's not looking rolled up in the front. But this is what the front of the hairline looks like. I think they did a good job with plucking that out. I'm gonna pull this back just a little bit because I don't want it sitting too close. Parting space on this looks good. You can't go too far back because it is only a 4x7. And to be honest, I don't think I'm mad at the 4x7. At first I was like, that's not a lot. But for somebody like me who just cares to only either rock their unit in the middle part or the side part, long as I can still do either one, I'm okay with that. But with this one, you could do a little bit of a side part, which I will show you guys when we get to styling and everything, but you can't do like a deep side part. So if you're somebody who likes a middle and just like a slight side, I think you'll be good. But I do think that the parting space looks good. It looks like scalp. This hair is very thick. Since this is 22 inches, of course with curly hair, it is going to shrink. And of course, when I put my product in, it's probably going to shrink a little bit more. But I love the way that everything is fitting. It is laying down really nice and flat in the back. It is snug, okay? And not snug to where it's going to give me a headache, but I don't feel like I have to make any adjustments. What the sides look like, even this is laying down really flat. Now, right here by my ear, I would just have to kind of tuck it a little bit because it is overlapping just a little, but it's not making my ear turn. So if you want to make those adjustments and just kind of slide it back, you could. But honestly, it's not bothering me at this moment. We'll see once I fix everything up if it will bother me. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tint spray. We're gonna install this, get these curls together, and then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final look and to tell you guys my final thoughts. So you can add this to your fall winter collection because baby girl, she's thick. Okay, she's thick. Now, one thing I will say is, even though she is big, I don't feel like it's weighing me down. It's not. It's really nice and fluffy, but this might be a little bit intimidating for those who do not like a heavy density. So you can check the website to see if they offer a lower density. As you guys seen, I did add a little bit of my tint spray to the very front because it was coming off just a little bit ashy for me. That did help to blend everything down. I also did a glueless install, okay? No glue, no adhesive, just some mousse. And when your fit is perfect, especially in this area, everything is nice and snug. You don't have to worry about any of that. So look at that. Just an easy pickup, put down, and it just blends right in. I didn't have to put any powder into the front of the lace. I also didn't put any powder into the parting space area. Now, I did show you guys a middle part and also this side part. Now, with the side part, this is about as far over as you can go before you start running into some tracks. It is a smaller closure, but you're still able to make it look really scalp-like and also really realistic. I like that the lace does still come over a little bit further. And I also like that the tracks, well, the start of the cap is not really showing as much. It's really nice and thin and it's laying flat against my head. Because this is so much hair, I decided to go in with my olive oil mousse. That's the same mousse that I used to lay the front of the hairline down, and that was just to kind of help keep everything really nice and light. I was going to go in with the Tresemme Flawless Curls, but your girl is running low, and y'all know I love to use that on my curly units. But the olive oil mousse still did its job. One thing about the mousse, it does help with frizziness and flyaways. I have fluffed this up a few times. I don't notice a lot of frizziness going on, and I don't notice a lot of flyaways at the top. The top of this does lay down really nice and flat. In fact, I had to kind of fluff it up a little bit more when it was in the middle so it didn't look a little humpy. And you don't want to part it too far back when you are parting because you don't want to run into these tracks in the back because they will show. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I did get a little bit of shedding during the styling process. Snags, tangles and snags, I do expect that to happen because of the texture. But it was really easy for me to run my comb through and also easy for me to get my brush through to define the curls a little bit more. I did have to go and trim some of the hairs down at the bottom that were kind of hanging a little bit lower. But yeah, I feel like if you want to be a little bit extra and you like a higher density unit, this one is really, really cute. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you feeling it? Like I stated, it is fitting well on my head. The only thing is it's coming just a little bit over on my ear, but it's not making my ear bend. I do feel like I can adjust it to sit a little bit behind my ear, but if I did that, I probably will go in with some bobby pins so I don't have to worry about the rest of the wig shifting. If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.